Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is another video about copper, and you saw in the last video that we were in a different place, but now we're finally back, and here's yeah, this video's gonna be exactly this. I saw this before, and I just wanted to show you it. And my helpers here. Yeah, do it. Speak. This is a good way to make it to speak. You should speak and then you bark, so then this is a good way to make it to speak. I'm going to see you. We got a red button here. Okay, that's it off. That's it off. Anyway, also today, it's raining outside. It's just stopped. But anyway, he got his channel and everything from a few videos ago. Yeah. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did enjoy this video, please leave a big thumbs up and a big subscribe in this video. And tell me what you want to see next, because I remember I do gaming videos too. And see you all next time. Bye!